Hello, welcome to the video tutorial of Twitter ads. My name is Rohit Khosla and I am from Learnbyexperts.com. Today I am going to show you a video tutorial on Twitter ads for businesses. What types of Twitter ads are available in Twitter. Today I am going to cover three types of Twitter ads. The first one is promoted tweets. Another one is promoted accounts and the promoted trends. So today I'm going to cover promoted tweets in my current video tutorial, and other two types of ads are going to be covered in further tutorials. So let me cover what is promoted tweets. Promoted tweets are like a regular tweets. So if you want to differentiate between your promoted tweets and a regular tweet, there is a way out, but yes, it will look like a regular tweet. Now it will show to those people, that promoted tweet will appear to those people which are not in your following list, which are not who are not following you. So if you want to increase your reach of the tweet to the audiences which are not following you, this is the best way to do it. Now the question arises where the promoted tweet is going to see. Now the promoted tweets are going to show on the timelines, regular timelines, or maybe on top of the search results. Now both ways you can see the results. Now I can show you practically how can you. Now you can see this is my regular timeline. As you can see, in a regular timeline, this is a promoted tweet. So your promoted tweets can be shown on your regular timeline, and it can be also shown on your search results. Now I have searched for some term which is a Bitcoin. As you see, after searching, you can see some of the promoted tweets. Now you can see this is the promoted tweet which is there in the search result. If you want to see more, let me find more. Now this is the only tweet which is coming right now. So but yes, in case now the difference is that it is looking like a regular tweet, but with the description called promoted. So I would really thankful to you to watching the video. In case you have any queries, you can go to my website learnbyexperts.com, or you can get in touch with me on the following number. Please be in touch with me for other video parts where I'm going to show the other types of Twitter ads. Thank you very much.